In this video, I'll show you how to create segments on Strava. At the time of making this video, there's no current way to make segments through the app. So what you need to do is come to your internet browser and create it through there. So before you do this, if you have the Strava app, you need to uninstall it, because if you try to load the Strava website, it'll automatically bring you to the app. So go and uninstall the app. Once you've loaded the Strava website and logged in, press the three lines in the top right corner and then come down, and under training calendar you want to open your activity. From here, select the activity that you want to create the segment for. I'll choose my most recent one, and then over in the left hand side, if we zoom in, you'll see a pencil icon and three dots beside it. Press on the three dots. That will open up this menu, and you'll see in the middle it says create segment. That will load up this map, and you'll see two sliders at the top. So you're going to use these two sliders to create the segment. So I'll do it from here. Once you're happy with the segment that you've chose, scroll down and then press next. And then it'll ask you to name your segment. And you also have the option to make it private by ticking it. So when you're happy with this, you simply press save. And you'll see that the segment has been saved. So if you found this useful, please like and subscribe.